In light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, health organizations around the globe continue to highlight the importance of physical distancing, hand washing, and disinfecting everyday items such as clothes. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about how you can disinfect your clothes during COVID-19. Launder items with laundry soap or household detergent. Consider using a detergent that contains bleach. However, be sure to read the product description and guidelines to avoid potentially ruining certain clothing items. Consider soaking clothes in a solution containing quaternary ammonium before washing them. Choose the warmest available water setting. The WHO recommend water temperatures between 60 to 90 degrees centigrade, that is 140 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. However, high temperatures can damage or shrink delicate clothing items, so remember to read the care labels. Dry clothing completely. Disinfect laundry baskets with 0.1% sodium hypochlorite or one of these household disinfectants which the Environmental Protection Agency have approved. Wear gloves while doing laundry. Wash the hands with warm water and soap immediately after removing the gloves. If gloves are not available, wash the hands immediately after handling dirty clothing and avoid touching the face.